Hello everyone, today I'm going to solve one new example based on the function definition. The example is looking for a and b for the following sets, and it is asking to find a and b such that the following sets to be a function. And we know that based on the definition of the function, we have to actually have one y for any x values that we have. So let's keep that in mind and start solving this problem. If we look, we have four sets inside this function, and from this four sets we can say, let's call it x1, the first one, and I'm going to call it y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, and x4, y4. And if we look at the problem now, we have x1 and x3 equal. So if x1 and x3 are equal, the value of the basically y values of the function should be the same. Therefore, y1 should be equal to y3. And the same thing is happening here where x2 and x4. x2 and x4 are the same. Therefore, y2 and y4 should be the same. From here we can say x2 equals to y4, x2 equals to x4, therefore y2 should be equal to y4. So we have this two actually algebraic equation now, and from there we can start solving of this problem. If y1 is equal to y3, it means that 32 is equal to cube root of 2 times a square root of 2 to the power of a minus b. And the second equation that we can obtain here, so I'm going to call it equation 1, and the second equation that we can obtain from there is basically y2 equals to 9,4, y2 equals to y4, and it is going to be 9 to the power of a plus b over 2 equals to 1 over 27, and this is the second equation. Now let's look at the first equation that we have. So for the first equation, we have 32 equals to cube root of 2 times a square root of 2 to the power of a minus b. And basically this is, we can write it as 32 equals to 2 to the power of 5 equals to, and inside here we have 2 times, basically we can say 2 to the power of 2 a square root times 2 to the power of a minus b, and at the end this will generate 2 to the power of 5 equals to 2 to the power of a minus b plus 2 over 6. So the first equation that we can make in here is, because the bases are the same, the power should be the same in order to have the same value at the end for this part of the function. So this is going to be 5 equals to a minus b plus 2 over 6, and the first equation for us is 30 equals to a minus b plus 2, and finally we can write it as a minus b equals to 28. So this is the first equation that we can make from here. So I'm going to call it equation 3. Let's look at the second equation that we have and find the other equation that we need for solving of this problem. As I said, we have two unknowns, therefore we have to obtain two equations which contains these two unknowns, that then we can find those unknowns a and b. So what we have, the second part is 9, so the second equation, 9 to the power of a plus b over 2, which is equal to 1 over 27. We can write 1 over 27 as 3 to the power of minus 3. Basically 1 over 27 is 1 over 3 to the power of 3, therefore it is 3 to the power of minus 3. So this is the first thing that we can write. And for 9 itself, we can write 3 to the power of 2. So as we go forward, we can say 3 to the power of 2, a plus b over 2 equals to 3 to the power of minus 3. And this is going to be at the end, this is going to be 3 to the power of 2a plus b equals to 3 to the power of minus 3. And now the same thing is happening. The bases are the same, and in order to have the same value at the end, the power should be the same. Therefore, 2a plus b should be equal to minus 3. And this is going to be equation 4. In order to find now a and b, we have to solve equation 3 and equation 4. And we can write, let's say 2a plus b equals to minus 3, and the other one is a minus b equals to 28. And if we solve these two equations, at the end we can find a as 25 over 3 and b as minus 59 over 3. So as you notice, the procedure was basically based on the definition of the function. We looked what are the same x values in the set of equation that we have, in the set of the numbers that we have, and from there we looked first at the x values, and then we noticed, okay, we have some x values that they are the same, therefore their y values should be the same too. And from there we constructed two different equations based on a and b, and finally we solved two equations which contains a and b, and we obtained a and b, as you can see, 25 over 3 and minus 59 over 3. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel.